we are talking about the cause of food poisoning. Right, that all we all know that bacteria and viruses, sometime in coconut, when that broken, they will have some kind of bacteria, so toxins and chemicals. Chemicals means when we are having a some kind of products, we are using that chemicals. Right? Is that having a limitation more than that? All of you know in our food products, they are giving ingredients. Sometimes that can be a milligram, right? For example, is that want to be a 5 milligram? Sometimes if that have a more than zero point 0.5 or 0.10, sorry, 0.8 milligrams increase. So when the human consuming, we will get some kind of food poisoning. So that will happen to that body, that human body will get trouble according to this kind of chemicals. So that's why they are having a very limitation usage of, or very limitation of ingredients they are using in the products. Right. Now we are moving to the next fifth heading, that is called food allergies. Like these food allergies, mostly not all the people, so not all the humans, they are not getting a food allergy, but some kind of people, they are having a food allergies because some food, right, that will be a very nutritious one, but for some kind of people, uh, they are not, that food not suitable to their body, right? Example here, first of all, they are giving a what is called food allergy. Consumption of some food items can give rise to chemical features such as itching, right, rash, vomiting, and uh, faintnesses. If this occurs, that is called food allergy. See here, if this occurs, an abnormal reaction when monitored by the body's immune system against that food item. It is known as food allergy. Immune system means எங்களோட நோய் எதிர்ப்பு சக்தி, ரைட்? நாம ஒரு இதை சாப்பிடுற நேரத்துல எங்களோட உடலுக்கு அது பொருத்தமில்லைன்னு காண்ற நேரத்துல, ரைட், இம்யூன் சிஸ்டம் will affect that one. அதன் மூலமா தான் என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு சொன்னாக்கா, they are having some kind of problems to our body, right, that we are facing that one. See that heading, causes of food allergies, right? Special ingredients in food, chemicals which are added for food preservation, difficulty in digesting some food substance. These are some main three causes of food allergic, right? ஒண்ணு எங்களுக்கு வந்து நாங்க டேஸ்டுக்காக போடுற சில ingredients வந்து எங்களோட பொடிக்கு ஒத்துக்கொள்ளாம இருக்கு. For example, wine, cheese, yeast. Mostly, most of the people get this one, yeast. When they are using a yeast lot, they will have a what? Gastritis. So that is some kind of food allergy, right? Chemicals which are added for food preservation. Preservation means பாதுகாக்கிறதுக்காக, right? சில நேரம் நாங்க சாப்பிட்டது ஒத்துக்கொள்ள டைஜஸ்ட் ஆகலைன்னு சொன்னாக்கா, that also we will face some kind of allergies. Right. Now we are going to see about clinical features of allergy. You can see here three kinds of pictures. In this picture, sometimes you also face like these diseases, right? Itching, you all know, aripu, sorichal madri, rash, words of a site of allergy, right? Warmth. The second picture they are showing here. And the fourth one, red eyes, see in that last picture, and running noses. Right? These are some kind of chemical features of that allergy. இந்த மாதிரியான allergics தான் வந்து பெரும்பாலான சாப்பிடுற நேரத்துல ஏற்படுறது. Like they are giving in your textbooks they are giving a one note, as this condition can be felt is important to identify food that can cause allergic early on and avoid their use, as well as obtaining medical advice when necessary. Sometimes if you have like this ratio itching, that can be recur in a few hours. But if that have a long time, it's happened, so you want to get advice from that doctor, right? And selfly you want to identify what is the food you are getting these kind of allergies. So what you want to do there, you want to neglect that food when you are eating, right? Wherever you are going, or whenever you are having gathering or something else, if you have any some kind of food allergic to you, if you find out, after that no need to consume that for your lifetime. That is here you can see mostly you all like food, right? So you are having a food pictures here. These are some kind of food that commonly cause allergies. Some people don't like chocolate, right? If they are add chocolate, they will get some kind of allergy. Tomato and pineapple, right? Here down you can see here that pork, all of you know that one, right? In this first picture, they are giving a eight food items: eggs, milk, some kind of fish, peanut, right? நாங்க சொன்னமே earlier, நாங்க சில பேருக்கு வந்து peanut கூடுதலா சாப்பிட்டாக்க they feel very faints. Faints means மயக்க நிலை வரும், right? And peanuts, some kind of some people not getting that what we call that thin fish, right? Maldives fish they will not get. Some people can't get that wheat, right? So these are some kind of food that is we are telling these food are commonly caused allergies. Now we are moving to the next heading, that is called steps to be taken to prevent allergies. In your textbook, more than 7 points they are giving, but we are now we are going to see here very few points, mainly 3 points. Mostly all of you need to know 3 points, right? That is enough for your exams. When see the first point they are telling, inform all family members regarding any allergic food you are having, right? So if you can't give reaction to that, if you get some kind of allergy, your family members will get ideas from the doctor emergency, right? Immediately. So that if you have any allergic food to you, you need to get you need to tell to your family members. That is very important one. Next thing, when obtaining medication from doctors, disclose any perceived allergic, especially prior to receiving vaccinations. Right, that is also you want to have. Nowadays that we are having a COVID-19 vaccinations, so that when we are getting that vaccinations, they are asking that nurses or doctor will ask if they have any food allergies for you, right? When we are vaccinated, after vaccinated for 2-3 days, we want to stop to get this kind of food to ourselves. We want to stop that consumption of that foods, because when we are vaccinated, after when we are getting these kind of allergic foods, our body and that what we call immunity system will get differ. So sometimes we will get some kind of a large disease will come. So we want to be very careful when we are getting these vaccinations. Anyways, check the food labels to identify any substance that you may be allergic. That is also you want to know, right? Sometime we are getting from outside, from shops. When we are getting that food, we need to mainly we want to see that label, because why? In that label only they are giving a expiry date and manufacture date and that ingredients. So we all know about that. When we are getting that knowledge only, we can conceive a proper way. Right? These are the things about talking about that food allergy. Now we are moving to that another heading that is called, right, how to protect the nutritional value of food. Right? Earlier we talked about that 5 headings: food safety, food spoilage, uh, food allergic, what else? Food poisoning, food adulteration. Right? Now we are going to see about how we can get the proper nutrition. Right? These giving here, the nutritional value must be preserved to obtain nutrients that are necessary for the body and to prevent nutritional deficiency. That is the important one. When you are having a proper nutrition only, your body will get a strength. Right? Last week we studied about why we need to get a food to develop our body, to protect from the diseases, right? To get the energy. So that if you have a proper nutrition only, we can get that one. That is why we are telling mostly we need to have a home gardening. When we are getting a fresh vegetables or when we are getting a fresh fruit, that all get a lot of nutrition to our body. Again, in down they are telling nutrition may be destroyed in several ways during the process from the food manufacturing to the consumption. நாங்க உற்பத்தி பண்றதுல இருந்து நாங்க நுகர்ற வரைக்கும் நிறைய இடத்துல வந்து என்ன செய்யலாம், நியூட்ரிஷன்ஸ் வந்து குறையலாம். Therefore, it is necessary to take steps to improve and protect the nutrition value of food. Example, when we are having a home gardening, when we are picked from our home, that is called production, and we are consuming there is no, mostly we can save a lot of nutrition, right? But when we are getting from farms, so when we are getting from factories, they are having a several steps, like transportation, storage, storing. So we are having a 5 steps there before consumption. At that time, that nutrition will reduce. So that is the thing here you all want to know. Now we are going to see how we want to get a value of nutrition. Attempt to do these things. I gave here 4 points, right? These are, you all need to know the 4 points to have a proper nutrition or proper food nutrition to get you. But in your textbooks, they are giving a more than 8 points. Please, all of you read that one. That is page number 123 and 122. Please go through, inshallah, after this class. Here they are telling for first point, when we preparing green leaves, that all of you know that one. Before cutting the green leaves, we need to wash properly. After that only we need to cut the vegetables. Then only we can save a nutrition there. And next thing, when we are cooking a very rich in calcium and iron together, that is avoided one. That is they are telling here, as calcium can reduce iron absorption. Avoid cooking foods rich in calcium and iron together. Right? நாங்க ரெண்டையும் சேர்த்து என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, சமைக்க கூடாது. சமைச்சாக்கா அங்கே எங்களுக்கு 2 நியூட்ரிஷன்ஸுமே இல்லாம போகுது. That is second one. Third one, egg. contaminant to improve the taste and give a medicinal values to the meal. We are using some kind of we need to, when we are using some kind of some smelled things, right? உதாரணத்துக்கு ஏலம் கருவா அந்த மாதிரியான நாங்க சேர்க்கிற நேரத்துல அது எங்களுக்கு மெடிசனா தான் போகும், ரைட்? அது எங்களோட உடலுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப ஆரோக்கியமானதா தான் இருக்கும். So we want to get that one for our meals, right? And next thing they are telling, to increase the iron content in the food, add moldious fish. What do you mean by moldious fish? Moldious fish ங்கிறது என்ன? மாசி, right? நாங்க மாசி எடுக்கிற நேரத்துல when we can increase the taste and also we can increase the iron contents, right? That is I gave here 4, but in your textbook you are having a more than 8 points. You can go through that one, right? Now we are moving to that last thing, right? Questions. The summary of the lessons what we learned today. First they are asking what is the meaning of food adulteration, and they are asking what are the problems we can face when we get the food adulteration. That you all learn. We learned the problems, 3 problems. Here you want to write only 2. Next they are asking about that methods of identifying adulteration. Sorry. And next the 4th one they are asking what is the poisoning, food poisoning, and write the causes of food poisoning. For that 4th question you are having a 2 questions. When the questions, when you are reading, you want to find out how many questions are there, right? In your O-level paper also you will ask like this, right? In that first compulsory question you are getting each question 2 marks. Sometime for the 2 marks they will ask in 1-2 questions. When you write the answers for 2 questions only, you will get 2 points. Otherwise what will happen? You will write only 1 answer, so you will get 1 marks. So that is important. You want to concentrate the questions what they are asking. Next 5th one, write a small description about food allergy. Here you want to write what is food allergy. That is called food small description. Next they are asking write the causes of food allergy. What are the problems or what will happen to when we are having a food allergy? Next, what clinical features of allergic, right? That all you learn this in this slide, right? Please write down all the things, right? Chemical features of allergic, and again they are asking food that commonly caused allergic, right? In that picture you can find out that more than 5 food you can write down. Write 2 steps to be taken to prevent allergies, and how to protect the nutrients value of food. Sorry, here you want to have 1 question mark. There will be a full stop. You need to correct that.